While the Microsoft outage across the world has caused severe chaos at various airports, right here at Mumbai Airport, there are huge queues at some of the entrance points. Though, of course, over a point of time, we've seen that the waiting time at each gate is reduced to 3 minutes, though it was a longer wait before this. However, as of now, the situation inside airport is such that passengers who are traveling by Indigo, Akasa, Vistara, SpiceJet, they are being issued manual boarding passes. As of now, there is no cancellation that has taken place at Mumbai Airport, no delays. Just that the passengers have had to have a long wait to get their boarding passes. That's because all the system is working manually, right from issuing of boarding pass to making a list of all the passengers through Excel. So, of course, which is where we see that there is a slight inconvenience that passengers are going through at the airport. But apart from that, we've seen that various airlines have started issuing messages on social media. Apart from that, Mumbai Airport has also issued a message saying that there could be slight inconvenience, which is where passengers should come in slightly early to ensure that the system works in at a normal pace. However, we've also seen all the airlines also put out messages on social media, and they're sending these messages to passengers, their respective passengers, about the delays that is being caused because of how the entire systems are operating manually. So we have several passengers who faced discrepancies because of the flight delay. So you've coming from Delhi. Tell us what was the inconvenience that you all faced there basically?
We boarded the flight and they were stranded for about 1 hour.
Okay, and is that because of the system outage?
Absolutely.
Were you all conveyed about any kind of
The pilot was nice enough to convey us.
Okay, but was it also that you all were not issued your boarding passes, or was it a manual boarding pass, or what was the
I think the systems were not working. Luckily, I had the boarding pass
Okay.
on the phone.
And as of now,
But Digi Yatra was not working.
so when you speak of the queues right here outside the airport, you can see the queue is easing out. In fact, passengers, there's not much queue outside. Now, the inconvenience that is being caused is particularly inside the airport because some of the passengers who've had a connecting flight, they have had to face some inconvenience. The passenger we just spoke to had to wait at Delhi airport for an hour. He had a connecting flight from Mumbai. So what happened with him at Delhi was that their flight was grounded for an hour. Of course, they were informed particularly by the captain about the delay in flight, but following which, of course, there are the Digi Yatra system was also not working. So that's where some of the passengers are facing an issue. Though the situation is now better for all the gates, particularly at the airport. You see, the waiting time is just around 3 minutes. Though the passengers are facing issues when it comes to Digi Yatra. But apart from that, when you speak of the system here, there are no cancellations that have taken place at Mumbai Airport. However, when it comes to the flights, there's no delay as such. But most of the people who are going inside are being issued passes manually. The boarding passes are being issued manually. The digital boarding passes are not being issued, and Digi Yatra system was not working for quite some time, which has had some impact. But as of now, the situation at the airport you see is quite better. Most of the queues have in fact reduced. People have started moving inside, so which is where though there was a slight inconvenience to the passengers that have been caused, but there's not been flight cancellation or disruption at Mumbai Airport if you go to see that way.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.